Monday Night Raw with an impromptu matchup between Ricochet and Bobby Lashley. Before the commercial break, we saw how Ricochet and Cedric Alexander had to help separate Bobby Lashley from the full Nelson he had on Apollo Crews.
Bobby Lashley and MVP found out that, yes, Apollo Crews has friends too, and those friends are Ricochet and Cedric Alexander.
You know, I got to question this decision. You know, when I see a lion eating on the safari, I don't run over there and try to wipe his chin. And that's exactly what Ricochet and Cedric Alexander did by coming out here and interfering.
Well, Ricochet and Alexander were trying to help out their buddy they're cheering on earlier tonight, the United States champion Apollo Crews. And the headline, boom, from the match between Crews and MVP. MVP has pinned the United States champion tonight on Raw.
Yeah, in a very crooked way, but nonetheless, I know we're not going to hear the end of it.
Oh, my God!
MVP is going to remind us every chance he gets that he pinned the champion.
Are you kidding me?
Ricochet just flew involuntarily, courtesy of the almighty Bobby Lashley. Shoulder right into the gut. And Cedric Alexander doing anything he can to help out Ricochet right now, but here comes
Gotta
Lashley.
be careful right here.
Oh my God! Being launched around ringside. Lashley is making it look effortless.
Is this even about winning the match for Bobby Lashley, or is it just about
Count of 5.
hurting and punishing Ricochet?
He's got Ricochet up on the shoulders. Count of 6. Oh, into the post. Count of 7.
Now, I don't know if there's a
Count of
Guinness
8.
World Record.
I don't know how Ricochet pulled that one off.
And Lashley over the top.
Well, if there was a time, Ricochet, it's right now.
How is Ricochet able to mount any sort of offense?
Off the apron, and caught by Lashley.
Oh, absolutely entrapped. And he's headed for a very bad place.
Happens again. Oh! And it's Lashley into the post.
I mean, this is just pure survival mode for Ricochet.
Ricochet's got a chance. Rolls back inside the ring. Count of 5 now. Lashley's got to get in before the count of 10. MVP helping his client
And
get
rightfully
back in.
so, and rightfully so.
And now Ricochet trying to follow up. Moonsault from the middle road. Can Ricochet do it? Here's the cover. Lashley able to kick out at 2. MVP now up on the apron. Oh, and Alexander takes out MVP.
Cedric's had enough.
Off the top, Lashley able to get back to his feet. Oh, wow.
He's the chest of Bobby Lashley.
Beautiful enziguri.
And now Ricochet with a chance. Kicking down to his knee. Bobby Lashley down to a knee.
And he's got the behemoth rocking.
Can Ricochet finish off Bobby Lashley?
Oh, Ricochet went for a big kick and caught. Look at the eyes of Lashley. Canvas.
Apparently that's an emphatic no.
Bobby Lashley throttled Ricochet.
Oh, now. Oh, he's prepping.
Look at the fury in the eyes of Bobby
This
Lashley.
is not good for
And he has
Ricochet.
the back, he has the full Nelson. Bobby Lashley with a full Nelson on Ricochet, and that's it.